Did you know that while everyone is chasing after roles like data analyst or scientist, there's a hidden side of the job market where high demand data roles go unfilled? These jobs are essential, growing fast, and often overlooked by most applicants. Today, I'm going to show you the untapped opportunities in the data field, roles that could fast-track your career and make you indispensable to businesses. Plus, stick around because I've included a full list of these roles in the video description to help you explore your options. Hi, my name is Silas and I help people build successful careers in data. Everyone knows about the traditional data roles, but few realize there's a gold mine of lesser known positions that are just as impactful and most times easier to break into. In this video, I'll uncover the hidden gems and explain why they are worth exploring if you want to stand out in today's competitive market. And don't forget, there's an expanded list of these roles waiting for you in the description. Here's the thing. The data job market is more competitive than ever. Everyone seems to be gunning for the same roles: data analyst, data scientist, or data engineer. And while these jobs are important, it creates two major problems. Oversaturation. Popular roles get flooded with hundreds of applicants, making it harder to stand out. Overlooked opportunities. Many high-demand data roles are left unfilled because people simply don't know they exist. This happens because of misconceptions about what a data career looks like. People think they need to focus on only coding or advanced math, ignoring roles that require creativity, ethics, or business insights. Employers, meanwhile, are struggling to fill these gaps, which means there's a real opportunity here for you. If you're curious about even more other roles, check out the list I've added in the description. Now let's get into some of these roles. The number one role is data ethics specialist. As data collection grows, so do concerns about privacy, fairness, and ethical use of data. Companies need professionals who can navigate the issues. So these professionals ensure compliance with data regulation, identify ethical risks. This role is really important because of regulations like GDPR and increasing public scrutiny. Businesses can face major fines or reputational damage if they misuse data. How can you start? So a background in law, business ethics, or even a certification in data governance can help you break into this field. The second role is data visualization expert. Everyone loves a great dashboard, but not everyone knows how to create one. That's where data visualization experts come in. So what they do is they transform complex data sets into clear, engaging visuals that help businesses make decisions and understand trends and insights from their data. This role is important because businesses can act on data they don't understand. Clear visuals are key to turning numbers into insights or action. So how can you get a role like this? First, I would recommend you build a portfolio using tools like Tableau, Power BI, or D3.js. Practice creating interactive dashboards or infographics from publicly available data. So the third role is data product manager. Data product managers sit at the intersection of business, technology, and data. So what do? They oversee the development of data-driven products like recommendation systems, dashboards, or analytics platforms. Why this role is important to companies is because companies need someone who can align data projects with business goals and ensure they deliver value. How can you start? If you have experience in project management or a knack for understanding tech and business, this could be your next move. Tools like Agile and Scrum certifications can give you an edge. Why are these roles important? Let me give you a real-world example. A company struggling with customer churn hired a data visualization expert to create a dashboard that identifies key churn drivers. By visualizing patterns in customer behavior, the company implemented targeted interventions that reduced churn by 20%. Similarly, a major tech firm avoided a 10 million fine because a data ethics specialist flagged a potential GDPR violation before it became an issue. These roles are not just nice to haves, they are mission critical. Companies are desperate for people who can bridge the gap between raw data and actionable results, and that's where you come in. By targeting these roles, you're not only filling a gap, but you're also positioning yourself as a specialist in an area most people overlook. If you want more ideas, I've included even more high demand roles in the description. So to recap, data ethics specialists ensure companies use data responsibly and avoid legal pitfalls. Data visualization experts turn complex data into actionable insights, and data product managers drive creation of data-driven tools and align projects with business needs. These roles might not seem as popular as data analysts or data scientists, but they are in high demand and are most times less crowded, making them excellent opportunities for those willing to explore beyond the obvious. And don't forget, the description has a full list of additional high demand roles for you to explore. What do you think? Do any of these roles spark your interest, or do you know of other overlooked data jobs? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you want more tips on breaking into data field, check out my channel, check out my other videos, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.